Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 2. Let me sum up. King Golden Locks. So in previous session, my dear students, we have seen that nobody helped, but finally Golden Log, he requested to the giant that you please bring venom from the Tiger King so that my father can be saved. So by seeing his request, the giant was also ready. He said, okay, I will give you. And then finally the venom was taken by the prince, Golden Locks, and the giant told that you will have to go yourself, you will have to go and give to the king. I will not go, I will not give, but you have to go. Then finally he disguised himself in a different costume he wears so that nobody can recognize. Otherwise, if anybody will recognize that he is the prince, the king, Golden Locks, then he will be caught and put into imprisonment. Now let us see further. When he reached to the palace, in a low, rough voice that he hoped did not sound at all like the voice of young prince Golden Locks. Here Golden Locks decided that he will speak in very low voice, in very rough voice, so nobody can recognize who he was. He told the guard at the father's door that he carried the precious drops of venom from the tiger's snake. He was ushered in immediately. Then afterwards he told to the guard that he has brought a venom which will help to his father to cure him. So he said that I have brought this precious venom from the tiger snake. So you please allow me to go. So he was ushered in. So he was called inside. He was allowed to go inside immediately. Guard also told that let him go inside fast. Then only our king can be saved. His father lay pale and dozing on his pillow. His father was sleeping. Dozing means sleeping. And he was looking very pale, without blood, white he was looking. At a note from the doctor, Golden Locks placed the precious drop on his father's lips. How a doctor is giving drop on the mouth, some of the medicine in the mouth, some of the liquid in the mouth, like that. The same way Golden Locks also placed precious drop on the mouth, his father's lip, on his father's lip he put. At first there was no response. In the beginning his father did not take it. He was not able to take the drop. But after some time his father opened his eyes. But then afterwards slowly his father opened his eyes. Golden Locks quickly covered his face with the white headcloth. But it was too late. Then afterwards Golden Lock came to know that his father has woken up. So quickly he was trying to cover his head with the white cloth so his father cannot recognize him, that he was no one but Golden Locks, his son. So quickly he was trying to cover his head, but it was too late. His father understood that he is my son. My son, am I dead that I see my precious son again at last? He is saying, the king is saying that I think I have died. I am no more. That is why I am saying to my son. Last time I am saying my son. I think I am dead. Am I dead that I see my precious son, my important son, my precious son? I see last time. I am dead, like that he is saying to his son. You are not dead, father. But Golden Lock said that no, father, you have not died. You are not dead. I have brought the cure. Medicine I have brought. I have brought cure for you. I only hope it is enough for you to forgive me. And this medicine I have brought, this venom I have brought, through this you will be cured and you will forgive me. And the giant also you please forgive, because this venom I could bring because of giant, because giant fought with the snake, and through snake giant brought this venom and he gave me. So you please forgive to giant and to me, to both of us you please forgive. It is he who brave the snake to bringing you this medicine. He only helped to bring this medicine to you. I could bring to you because of giant. So you please forgive me and you please forgive giant. Golden Locks and his father were reunited. Now his father forgave Golden Locks, and now his father, that means Golden Locks and the king, they both were reunited. Compromise took place. The queen was happy to marry the king. The queen was also very happy because queen in the beginning she was not ready. She was thinking that my daughter will marry to the flower who is selling flower. But now the queen also happy because Golden Locks was son of king. So she was also very happy because my daughter will marry, be king, a person who is going to be king to him. My daughter, the princess, will marry. But the princess was just happy, and princess was also happy, who promised even when he became king. And the princess was also happy that to whom she loved, who was sending flower, and flower who was sending, tying the golden lock, it was sent by Golden Lock. So the queen was also happy because the princess married to the king, future king, and the princess was happy because to whom she liked, to whom she loved, and to him she is going to marry. So Golden Lock would marry to the princess. So princess also happy, and Golden Lock is going to be king after this king. So the queen was also happy. So it was a really happy ending. It was happy. The end was happy. Okay, so here we will stop, my dear students. We will see later on remaining activities. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.